Let's go home, little birdies. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the first EIB Farm and Family episode, where you all get to join me and my family as we fix things and make new stuff for our hobby farm. We've got some goats, we got some chickens, we got dogs, we got cats, and we've got little baby turkeys on the way. So we do raise most of our animals, other than the dogs and cats, for food. You know, goats for milk and meat, chickens for eggs and meat. We have done meat chickens in the past, Cornish crosses. Super depressing to raise. They just kind of tend to die on their own because they're pretty much made to just be meat. We've done red broilers, another kind of meat chicken variety, and they just didn't get near as big. And then we've also butchered heritage breeds, just egg-laying chickens, and they're just not even worth the effort as far as trying to get meat from them. So we're going to try turkeys, see how that goes. I'm hoping it's somewhere in the middle ground of like worth our time and energy to do the processing, but you know, not as depressing as the Cornish crosses. So we need to get the brooder box fixed up. That's what we're going to go get to work on. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, everything you know you can do to help out the channel. It's much appreciated. This is, like I said, the first video in the new line where you get to kind of come along as we make all the other things other than what I'm doing just in the shop in the early morning. So let's go get busy on the brooder box. Alright, this is what we need to move and repair. Little door fell off. Gotta fix the roof. Needs a new thermostat. In there. That in. Get us some new paint. Let's see what we got first. Light things fell off. Take that off to access anything. Chicks last. Put these off. Take the roof off to start. Everything else looks okay. I think it'll just stand in place. we're gonna redo the roof in metal because I've got some scraps left over from the shop roof. As with most things, I'm just gonna make this up as I go and kind of eyeball it. I'm going to shoot the sparks at you all instead. Fit perfectly between the random cut on that side and the giant bend on this side. Now for my least favorite activity of all time, painting. I despise painting. If you haven't been able to tell, I cut my own hair. And our washing machine was actually running everything on hot water for a couple years, so all my shirts have shrank. But I'm not gonna buy new ones yet. Wasting money. I just have belly shirts now, that's all. Show a little midriff. It's turkey day! This is what we got the box ready for. This is what we've been waiting for. Here they are. Little birdie birdies. Alright, let's go home, birdies. Can you be very gentle with the box? Got it? You got it?
They're moving.
Yeah, they're alive. They're little baby turkeys. It's different. They're like...
They're moving. And then you put them right up on the floor.
Yeah, mommy's looking at it. Oh, they're gonna make a little bowl.
It's delicious.
Okay, hey, no. Let mommy do it. You have to be very gentle, and she needs to teach them where the water is. So she's showing them where the water is as she takes them out and being very gentle. Should have fun. Hey, don't eat my phone. Phone isn't food, silly birds. Come here, look. This is food. This is food. The cell phone isn't food. That's the food. Why are you eating my lens? Look, follow your brothers, your sisters. Well, look, the food's over here, silly. Why does the cell phone look so appealing? And you're like, that looks delicious. Is that a lens?